So I'm out here at the warm water discharge. Finally got all 3 rods set up. Man, it's been a morning. Got up here, it's about a half-mile walk, and realized I forgot my alarm, so I had to walk back, go get my backup alarms. So I've got those on right now. And of course, nothing is going according to plan. I'm like an hour and a half later than what I wanted to be getting started. So we'll see. Yeah, it's a light wind. It is cold, that's for sure. I think it was -1 degree Celsius, which is about 30 degrees Fahrenheit for us. But fishing 3 rods right now with a Panko pack bait on all 3. 2 of them are on a simple hair rig with 2 pieces of artificial pop-up corn. And then my 3rd rod, I'm fishing a Ronnie rig with a 14 millimeter Sweet Stim Pop-Up boilie from Munchbaits. So hopefully we'll have some fish here momentarily. I've had a few bumps, but nothing yet, no runs. And then shortly, a buddy of mine, Dan Stutes, will be out here as well. So hopefully we'll have some fish to show you soon. We're in. First fish of the day. Feels tiny. Oh, hello. Okay, maybe not. Now becomes the test of the craziness of this spot that's all ice. I'm on a nice patch right now. First fish of the day. Man, that's exciting. So yeah, like I said earlier, I mean, we are sitting at 30 degrees. The water is not frozen. Trying to stay out of my other lines here, and also trying to stay out of the water. Nice. Well, that's the first one of the day. You can tell it's on a small little comment on the Ronnie rig. And I lost my pop-up. Well, there we go. First one. January 16th or 17th, 30 degrees, still catching fish. Oh, we got first fish of the day. Small little common. There we go, first one. Not bad. Small, but man, middle of winter, there's snow on the ground. It is cold as all get out. We got a nice common to start off the session. So hopefully it will be more. Hopefully his grandpa comes. Something a little bigger than this. But man, what a great start. 30 degrees, still catching carp. This one feels a little better than the last one. Feels like I'm playing a huge fish, and it's probably going to get in here and be small, but I'm just trying to play it safe. I'm by myself on all these rocks, and now I'm stuck. Yeah, once I start getting into shore here, there's a bunch of rocks and it's pretty shallow. So I think they get wrapped around these rocks. And it gets a little precarious to get them in. It looks like a decent fish, but nothing huge. Played this thing like it was a 30-pounder. Alright, fish number 2 in. That just looks like maybe a mid-double, but again, pumped. That was caught on the 14 mil Sweet Stim Munchbaits Pop-Up. No panko on this one, just chucked it out there and was able to coax this guy in. Alright, we got Dan is on one now. First fish of 2021. I'll probably kill myself getting over here. Oh, really? Oh, dang it. He got that bite on a pop-up as well. So I don't know what's going on with the pop-ups today, but it seems like we're using different pop-ups, but he's still using a white pop-up, the Astorberry Cream pop-ups from American Carp Society, and that hasn't been out there. Yeah. Ronnie rig. No pack bait either. Man. Does not want to get in this net. Whew. Another one in. Nice. Got another common. This one's a little better than what I have been catching. Probably a double of some. And again, on the Ronnie rig. I've got 7 so far, and they only are biting on that Ronnie rig with the Sweet Stim Pop-Up from Munchbaits. So I think I might switch all my rods to that. I think 7 is a good indicator. But yeah, it's a nice fish. Alright, so we're out here at the warm water discharge. I figure I'd give a little update on how things are going. My buddy Dan Stutz just got here. He had a run and then ended up losing it. He was using the Astorberry Cream pop-ups from the American Carp Society, and his rig was out there for maybe 5 minutes before he got his run. I've been out here a couple hours longer than him, and been able to land 7 fish, so it's been a good morning so far. I'm fishing 2 rods with pack bait, some corn pop-ups, and then 1 rig. I'm actually using pack bait, but using a Ronnie rig with the Sweet Stim 14mm pop-ups from Munchbaits, and all 7 fish have been on this. So I've had 7 runs on a white pop-up. Stutz just threw one in, had a run on a white pop-up. So we're thinking maybe we're onto something. So hopefully we'll have some more fish to get some pictures of here shortly. Stutz in on one right now. Let me know when you want me to head over. I don't think you're in mine. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, nice. Alright, hooked in on my stalker rod. Got a, I'm going to switch to the Ronnie rig on this. Sweet Stim Pop-Up from Munchbaits. I'll try to bring it right here to my right. It seems like there's some if we doubled up. Dude, that spot right there to the right looks halfway decent to set up. No. Coming.
See ya. Oh, come on. Come on, fish. Ain't bad.
Man, all in all, it was a great session. The middle of January, 30 degrees outside, and we were able to land 20 fish. Stay tuned for more to come.